Hi loves, welcome back, and if you're new here, it's great to have you and I hope you'll be sticking around. So today's exciting because I'm doing a Amazon haul, and pretty much everything in this video is what you're gonna need to start your nails, so just keep watching. Also, I just wanted to remind you that if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that post notification bell if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video, and that thumbs up button as well. Okay love, so the first thing that I have for you guys is this Mica polygel kit. So I really think that a polygel kit is a great thing to start off with. It's something that I started off when I just started doing my nails, and it helped me so much because I was able to learn how to sculpt nails and to use gel and acrylic really easy just by using this polygel kit. So first thing that comes in here are just some dual forms, and then it also comes with a nail file. Then you also have this little tool right here, and it is a brush on one side. So this is what you kind of like use to sculpt your polygel with. And then on the opposite side is like a little spatula tool, so you can use that to like grab your polygel and put it into the dual form or put it on your nail, whichever one you prefer. Then it also comes with a base coat and a top coat, and then they kind of go hand in hand. So you'd put the base coat down first, then your polygel, then you would top coat it. And then it also comes with 6 colors. So we have clear, then we have white, and then we also have natural pink, then we have dark pink, and then we also have light pink, and last we have misty rose. And that is everything that comes in the polygel kit. So moving on, I also got these brushes right here, and these are acrylic brushes, which I have never used before, so I am going to be trying these out for the first time. I'm very new to acrylic, which I'm actually quite loving at the moment, so I definitely wanted to get some really good brushes, and these were recommended to me, so I do want to give them a shot and see how they are. So the first brush that I got is this one right here, and it's just a standard brush. It's just brown, and it's a size 8, I believe, and it also is just like really soft and really nice to the touch. And then the second brush that I got, I wanted something a little bit more fancy, you know, for the videos and stuff like that. So I got this one right here because I really love the handle of it. It just looks so cute. And this one was just as soft as the last one, and it's also a number 8 brush as well. And neither of these were too expensive. I'm not quite sure how much I paid, but I will leave the link down in the description box so you can check it there. I'll actually have the link for everything in this video in the description box. Okay, so I also got this one right here, and this is a number 10 brush, and I wanted to get something a little bit bigger just to see how it would work, and I really love the color of it. It's really cute. So next I got this chrome powder, and it is so pretty. I'm actually really impressed with it because at first I was like, oh my gosh, no, it's not going on, because I'm not really used to using this little brush right here. I usually just use my finger, but I wanted to be a little bit fancy for you guys and stop my, you know, ways of using my finger, because I tend to use my fingers for everything, and I'm trying to be like really sanitary, really cleanly, and just stop using my hands to touch things. So I just went ahead and used the brush, but I do go back in and buff it with my finger. I'm sorry, I couldn't resist. So I just buffed it in a little bit more with my finger, because I don't know if it's the heat from your finger or the oils from your finger that just kind of smooth it out a little bit more, but it turned out beautiful, so I love that. Then the next thing that I picked up were these crystals, and it also came along with these little tools right here. So you get 2 of these little crystal pickers, and they have like 2 different ends on them. So one side is to pick up the crystals, and then the other side, I believe you can pick them up in a row. Then it also had like one of those little tweezers. Then this right here is the little wax to put on the end of the crystal picker, and then it also has this little tray where you can place your crystals, and then you could line them up if you want to. or not. It's up to you. And then obviously the crystals. So the crystals are actually quite stunning. They're beautiful. I absolutely adore and love them. And they're not too far from my Swarovski crystals. I have used these before, and the wear on them isn't amazing. I mean, you can go a 2-week wear, but a little bit after 2 weeks they do start to get a little bit tarnished and they do start to scratch. So I do recommend them. I do, because I purchased them multiple times, but they aren't the same as Swarovski's. Definitely not. The next thing I got was just some head files, and they were 180 and 100 grit. And then I also picked up some buffing blocks as well, and each pack came with 10. And then I got another essential item, and these are just some swatch sticks. And then I got those to go along with these, because these are just some gel polishes in a pot. And I think these gel polishes are great to just start out with, especially if you're not really sure if this is something that you want to do or not, and you're just kind of trying it out. I started off with this and it was great for me, and I really loved it. So I do recommend you grabbing one of those. The next thing that I picked up was these KDS nail glues, and I think they're really cute. I never used them before, but I've seen them in a couple of videos, so I want to try them out and see how they work, and hopefully they're good. They were very inexpensive, so I'm just praying that they turn out great. The next items that I got are some acrylic, and these are just clear. These acrylics were from Easy Flow, and I've heard really good things about them as well, so I'm excited. And I got those acrylics to go along with this mica powder, so I do want to make my own acrylic colors, which I'm really excited to do. So stay tuned for that video, guys. And then after, these come with 24 colors, and here's all the colors. They're absolutely just stunning. So these pigments are supposed to be very pigmented, and they're supposed to just add a lot of color to whatever you're adding them to. So you don't just have to add them to acrylics. You can add them to soap. They're cosmetic grade, so you could use these for makeup. You could use them for multiple things. I think it's so amazing to be able to just create your own products and just use your own things. That way you know exactly what ingredients are in them and stuff like that. And also it saves a lot in your pocket. I mean, I don't know quite how much it would be for a single jar of acrylic, but I know to buy 24 jars of our acrylic would cost a lot of money, because just those 2 Easy Flow ones cost me a good little penny. So I know it would cost me so much more if I was to get 24 individual colored jars of acrylics. So I thought this would be a fun little idea and experiment to do, and I can't wait to try it out. So here I am. I'm just showing you guys all the colors. Since I was talking a lot, I didn't get to shout them out, but they will all be linked in the description box below, and also you should be able to see them on screen, so don't worry, I got you anyways. Also, I just wanted to mention really quickly, I was thinking maybe I should do a giveaway for some of these items, because I don't really play with polygel all that much anymore, and I still have these, and I haven't done a giveaway on my channel yet, and I've been wanting to do one, but I just wasn't sure of when to do it or how to do it. So if you guys think that I should do a giveaway, or if that's something that you guys would want, definitely comment in the description box. Comment in the comment section, giveaway, or we'd love to see a giveaway. I don't know, surprise me. Comment something in terms of a giveaway so that I can see if you guys actually want to have a giveaway for some of these products or not. Let me know. Okay, getting back to the video. So these are just all the colors that it came with. Each and every one of them are super stunning. Here I'm just showing you, they do come with 2 similar white colors, but they are completely different. So all the colors are absolutely gorgeous. Now we're just going to move into this portion, and most of these products are going to be from Young Nails. So I did buy this builder gel from Young Nails. I didn't read the size on this though, so it came in this super teeny tiny jar, and I was really upset because how much I paid for it. I don't believe I would ever do that ever again, because it was really expensive for nothing. Next up, I just got some clear acrylic, and this acrylic is just the speed acrylic, I believe. So that's really cool. I haven't used it. I opened it and never had one of those caps, so I spilled like half the jar. I want to cry. Young Nails, you owe me some acrylic for not letting me know that it never had a cap on the top, or like those protective seals. The second one that I got was a white acrylic, and then I also got some monomer. Next up, I have this foil gel, and I've never tried this gel before, so I'm really curious to see how it's gonna turn out. It comes in like this cute little package, and look at this little message, guys. Oh my god, it's so adorable. And it came with 2, which was really great too for the price. So this is everything that I got for this haul, guys. I hope you liked watching. Thank you so much, and I love you. Bye.